Good morning. So which one of the two are you right now?
Hey, wait. Aren't you...
Satoru Gojo. I'm head of the first years at Jujutsu High.
Jujutsu? Fushiguro. Where is he? Huh? What the hell is this?
I wouldn't be worrying about others right now, Yuji Itadori. You see, it's been decided that you're to be secretly executed.
Sugisawa Hospital.
This is Yuji Itadori. I called earlier? Yes. Yes. I'm sorry to keep calling, but how's my grandpa doing?
Huh? I thought they already told you. Oh, never mind. Just hold on a minute. I'll go find out myself.
Mr. Itadori never uses his call button.
It's kinda scary that he doesn't. Mr. Itadori, you have a call. It's your grandson again, asking if you want him to bring you...
Leave me alone! Tell him not to come here! Go to his club! Go to his club!
I guess you probably heard that. So what type of club are you in, Yuji?
Yeah, I heard. Thanks a lot.
They're keeping a cursed object here in a place like this? Could they be any more stupid? There's nothing here.
Huh?
The Stevenson hutch is empty.
For real? That's hilarious. Maybe you took a nighttime stroll.
I'm going to punch you.
Well, no going home until it's recovered, okay?
I'm seriously going to punch him. What's with this rugby field? Is there a dead body buried here or something? Even if there is, I'm surprised to see a cursed spirit this high level here. That looks like a grade 2 curse. Must be the influence of that cursed object. Damn. Its presence is too strong to pin down. Feels like it's close by, but it could actually be far away. This special grade cursed object's a serious pain. Who could have moved it? And where is it now?
Hey, come here! Check this out! Coach Takagi is taking on Itadori from West Middle!
Wow, what are they competing for?
Yeah!
14 meters!
Wow, is he famous or something?
It's just a rumor, but I heard that he beat all the stages of Ninja Warrior, and that he's the reincarnation of Mirko Krokop.
But Mirko's not even dead yet.
He earned the nickname Tiger of West Middle.
That's lame.
Hey, so can I throw it however I want?
For this challenge, you can throw however you want. After all, I know this event isn't your strong suit. You've probably never even really been.
About 30 meters, I guess.
Yes! I crushed it!
Kinda more gorilla than tiger.
He threw that like a pitcher.
You do really well on a sports team, Itadori. Don't force yourself to stay in our occult club.
Huh? Really? But even though you love scary stuff, without me, you could never go to haunted places.
But we like being scared.
The presence of a cursed object.
Hey, hold it! How is he that fast? I heard he can run the 50 meters in 3 seconds.
Faster than my car!
What time is it?
Just What is that thing?
Sasaki?
Iguchi, thank goodness. Where have you been?
Help me!
The curse has been unleashed. Its presence is everywhere. Out of my way! Demon dog! Eat it, boy.
Am I really just gonna sit here and wait because he told me to? What the hell am I so afraid of?
Your friends are going to die.
He was right. I can sense death all the way out here. I'm afraid of dying. Was I afraid of it before? Didn't feel like I was. I didn't cry because I was scared. I just felt a little sad. But my grandpa's death and the death I'm facing now, how are they any different?
You're a strong kid, so try to help others.
The curses are growing in number. They're close. There you are.
Grandpa was crabby, short-tempered, and stubborn. No one but me ever even visited him. Don't end up like me, huh? Well, no chance of that.
Damn! Is it trying to swallow her and the cursed object? I'm not gonna make it! Itadori!
I think you had a proper death, Grandpa. But this kind of a death is just wrong! So this is a curse. Not what I was expecting.
I should be asking what you're doing here, but good job.
You're pretty smug, aren't you? So, just curious, what are those things munching on the curse?
My Shikigami. Wait, you can see them? Normally your curse can't be seen. Not unless you're on the verge of death or in special places like this.
Yeah, that makes sense. I've never seen ghosts or weird stuff like this before.
But you're not scared, though.
I was. I mean, for a little while there. But then, I thought everybody's gonna die.
Huh?
So, I want to make sure that the people I know all have a chance at a proper death. Huh? Not that I really understand it. Whoa! This it?
Yeah. The cursed object, Ryomen Sukino's finger. It's a miracle that thing didn't swallow it.
Why would anything eat this? Is it good?
Don't be dense. You'd eat it to gain stronger cursed energy. Now, hand it over. It's dangerous.
Fine. Here.
Run!
Damn!
Damn it! Why can't I think straight? Itadori! Your only chance is to take those two and run for it!
You're in big trouble yourself!
Only a curse can beat a curse! You cannot defeat this!
Is that your idea of a pep talk? At this rate, we're both gonna die! If I quit now, I'll be having this nightmare for weeks! Besides, I know what I have to do.
Try to help others.
I'm living with a rotten curse of my own already!
You idiot! Throw it down to me or you'll both get eaten!
Why would anything eat this? Is it good?
Don't be dense. You'd eat it to gain stronger cursed energy.
There's a way I can save everyone! I just need to have my own cursed energy, don't I?
Don't do it. Don't do it! Ryumin Sukuna's finger. That's a special great cursed object. It's a deadly poison. He'll die for sure. But there is a chance. A 1 in a million chance. I knew it! The light feels best in the flesh! This is the worst. A 1 in a million chance worst case scenario. The special grade cursed object has incarnated. Cursed flesh is so boring. So now, where are the people? The women? For the wonderful era to be reawakened. Women and children are crawling everywhere like maggots. How marvelous! It'll be a massacre!
What do you think you're doing with my body? Give it back!
Hey, wait. How are you doing that?
Well, it's my body.
Wait. He's suppressing me? Stay right where you are! You're no longer human!
Huh?
Under Jujutsu regulation, Yuji Itadori, by law I will now exorcise you! As a curse!